children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to do the new chapter basic geometry. Okay, what is basic geometry? You are aware about this? What is this shape? It's a square. It's a circle. What is this? This is a rectangle. This is a triangle. This is a oval. Yes, did you remember all these shapes? It's a square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oval. Okay, so help each shape give its introduction by filling in the blanks. Help each shape give its introduction by filling the blanks. Hi, I am a who is this green color shape? I am a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. I am a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Then I have how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. Hi, I am a square. I have 4 corners and 4 equal sides. I have 4 corners and 4 equal sides. Then, what is this? This is a rectangle. Hi, I am a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. I have here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners and 4 sides. I have 4 corners and 4 sides. My dash sides are equal, opposite. My opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then, hello, I am a circle. I am a circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. I have no corners or no sides. I have no corners, no sides. I am a circle. I have no corners and no sides. I am round. Then, what is this? This is samosa. It's a triangle. Hi, I am a triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. I have how many sides? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners and 3 corners. I have 3 sides, 3 corners. Then, hello, I am an oval. I am an oval. I have no corners or sides. I am like a flattened circle. This also looks like a circle, but it is flattened. This is a circle, it is flattened. Okay, then complete this. Then let us go to page number 133. 133. Then what is this? What we have here? Let's learn two more new shapes. Let's learn two more new shapes. What is this? This is a diamond shape. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Unlike a square, the sides are slanting and not straight. This also looks like a square. 4 equal sides and 4 corners and 4 equal sides. But square is straight lines. Square have 4 straight lines, but in diamond all the sides are slanting. Okay, diamond is having the 4 equal sides, but all the sides are slanting. See here, corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4, and slanting side 1, slanting side 2, slanting side 3, and slanting side 4. Okay, next, a semicircle. It is half of a circle. What is a semicircle? Half of a circle. A full circle cut into one piece. It's a semicircle. Semicircle is a half of a circle. So two more shapes also we have learned. One is diamond and one is a half circle, which is called as semicircle. Identify the shapes in the pictures below. Write S for square, R for rectangle, C for circle, T for triangle, D for diamond, SC for semicircle, and O for oval. So see, what is this? This is a square. This is a square. This is a square, and this signboard is a rectangle. R for rectangle, and wheel is a circle. C for circle. Then an egg is an oval. See, this ring is a circle. C, circle, and it is a diamond. And this slice is a sandwich is a triangle. CD is a circle, and this protractor is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. Okay. Then let us turn the page 134. Next, what we have? Solid shapes. What are solid shapes? Look at the given figures. This is a square. So what is this? This is a square. It is flat. It has no thickness. Okay. It has no thickness. It is just a square. It is flat. It is having no thickness. Then this is a dice. See, this is a dice. It is not flat. It is a solid shape. 6 squares join together to form this shape. Each square is a face of the dice. See here, all the squares are been. So here see, 6 squares are joined together to make one dice. Thus it has 6 faces. The place where 2 faces join is called an edge. See here. Here one square and this is one square, and this is called edge. These are all edges. It are been joined. The place where 2 faces join is called an edge. Thus it has 12 edges. Okay. See, 12 edges, 6 flat faces, and 8 corners. Corners are this one. Okay. These are corners. Here we have 8 corners, 6 flat faces, and 12 edges. And this is a cuboid. Cuboid means it's a rectangle. It has 6 flat faces. It is also having 12 edges and 8 corners. See here, 8 corners, 6 flat faces, and 12 edges. Then ice cream cone. It's a shape of a cone. This is a cone. It is having one corner, one curved face, one flat face and one edge. All one. One corner, one curved face, one flat face and one edge. Then this is a cylinder. Cylinder is having two circular faces. It has one curved face, two circular faces and one curved faces, no corners and two edges. Okay, a cylinder is having two flat faces, one curved face, no corners and two edges. So solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and one more we have, that is sphere. See here, one sphere. It has only one curved face. It has no flat face, no edges, no corners. A sphere is having only one curved face, no flat face, no edges, no corners. Okay. Then identify the solid shapes in the given figures. Solid shapes. Okay. See, what is this? It's a cylinder. Yes or no? It's a cylinder. 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 This is a sphere. Then it's a cuboid. It's a cube. Cylinder. This is a cuboid. It's a cone. This is a sphere. This is a cone. Okay. Then complete this. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with next exercises. Have a good day.